What up guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a little bit different stuff than we usually do. I'm going to be unboxing something called the mini pin art. This is it right here and we're going to unbox it. Let's go. So let's check it out. There we go. Oh sweet. We got it open. Ooh, yeah. Let's read the instructions. To create a pin picture, make sure all of the pins are fully extended from the back. Press an object into the pins. Remove the object from the frame, taking care not to disturb any pins. Carefully turn the frame to see the pin picture. I might go for this. That's pretty nice. Alright, let's do it. First, we need to open this little bag right here. Alright, that's it right there. Right, so how do we do this? Actually, how do we do this? How do we do this? Wait. This is so weird. Wait. I don't know how to do this. I'll be back until I figure it out. I think I figured how to do it. Like, you have to go like this. And then, if this could go down, yeah. You have to go like this, and then you put something up, like, let's just say, what the, wait. Oh my god, it's so confusing. Wait. I put a fidget, can you see that? Right, fidget spinner, go in. Does it work? Oh my gosh, so cool. What's six? Do that again, right. Another one. Let me see, what should I do? I don't know what I should do. Maybe a thumbs up. How did that turn out? What is that? What is that? I don't know. I'm just figuring what else to do. Two fingers. I'm gonna do the 2 fingers right now. Okay, that was just awful. That was very bad. Let's just put my whole hand in. I didn't even do anything, like I didn't even, I just wanted to go to, right, I'm gonna do it right, my hand, ready, 3, 2, 1, woo! Alright, that didn't actually turn out bad. This is really fun. Maybe try this one. Alright, so let's try this. Go 3, 2, 1, woo! Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. But my favorite one has to be this fidget spinner right here. That one's definitely my favorite. So I'm just gonna stick up this. Woo! That's what. Wait, no. This is what it turns to. Right, guys. If you like, leave a like and subscribe. Turn notifications on because you can be one of the first people to watch my videos. Icebook challenge coming soon. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers and see ya. Woo!